I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install Redis in Linux Ubuntu operating system. So currently I'm using the Ubuntu 24. So let's open the terminal. And the next is here. Let's use the sudo apt update. So doing the update first. And now this is connecting. And now this is doing some update. Then after the next is here going to install the Redis tools. So this done here. Let's use killer command. Writing there sudo then apt install Redis then write the tools. Write there why. So this is now installing the Redis tools. Then after this done here, let's use the killer command once again. And now installing this Redis and downloading the Redis from the snap. So right there sudo snap install Redis. Press enter. So here you can see downloading a snap Redis from this stable channel. For this all, net must be connected. Here you can see download part that has done. And setup is going on. Now 8 version that installed here. So this is the latest version is there. Then after let's write there Redis then minus CLI. So you can enter there. After that if you write ping then pong that's display. Then after if you write there set str insert single quote writing hello world. Hello world. Okay, single quote. So this okay. Now if I write there get str. So hello world that's displaying. This is string that's displaying. So this is the most simplest way. Within few minute times I install there Redis inside the Linux Ubuntu operating system. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So I this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.